Okay, this is the product that we're using at present moment to glue the lid, the metal lid, to the polystyrene lid. It's a roof and gutter silicone. It's probably about the cheapest one we can get. It works really well, but it takes a good 24 hours for it to go off once you've pressed the lid on. So what I'll do is just run you through on about the amount of product that we need to put onto the lid, and then put the metal lid on top of that, and then if we can, we'll put some weight on top of it. All right? So I'm just going to put it into a silicone gun, just your standard silicone gun. All right? And I'm just going to do a little bit. I'm going to come out of this corner here. Don't want too much. I'm going to follow that around. I don't want to get it in the lettering or the HiveiQ badge. So we'll just go around like that. You don't need huge amounts. All right. Then I'll do one across here. I'll do another one across there. I'll do a little bit in each hand. All right. And this ensures that it really sticks tight. A little bit in there. Okay, once you've got that done, it's just a case of getting the lid. Make sure that the lettering is the same way up as what's on your polystyrene lid. So make sure they're correct. Okay. Once you've got yourself sorted on that, you just slip the lid on top, push down on it really hard so it squeezes all the glue nice and flat. Now I haven't got any weight with me at the moment, but if you sat half a dozen bricks on it, or a 5 kilo weight that you're using in your exercise room on top of that, then that'll be nice. The other way you can do is strap it straight onto a hive and do the M-lock up tight.